everyone, I'm Rosie.
And I'm Carl.
And this is Flying Flosky.
And we can ride, you and me together. And we can ride, you and me forever.
Welcome on board the Windstar Pride and our Star Balcony Suite number 539. So, this is one of the newer suites on board. When they took the Star Pride, split it, and inserted a chunk, this is one of the ones they inserted, which is why ours has a bed by the window, and others you might see have the bed in our lounge. So, speaking of the lounge, it has room for about 5 people, I would say, with 2 lovely big chairs and a sofa. I don't know if everyone gets some fruit, but we have some fruit. Nice. By the sofa, we have our own bar, and that goes for everything from all of our glassware to our filtered water bottles, an ice bucket that we can ask to have it filled up, and most importantly of all, our fully stocked minibar. So we've got spirits or liquor in this area, some soft drinks, wine and beer, and a little red wine that doesn't need a fridge. We both have the all-inclusive package on board, which means all of our drinks, including these in the room, are covered, our tips and our Wi-Fi as well, which is a pretty good deal at $99 per person per day. Staying at this end of the room, we have 2 doors. The first is our walk-in wardrobe or walk-in closet. So this has been a dream of mine. We do not have enough room to do this on our own tiny flat. So it's a delight to just live in a world of clothes. There's lots of room for hanging dresses, longer things for taller people. And then here we've got our robes, some umbrellas, and a safe and our laundry bags and the laundry list, of course. There are some little diagonal shelves on the right as well. They're slightly awkward to use, but good for little bits and bobs. Every room does have its own temperature controls, so if you like it like the sun, you can have it as such, and if you like it like the Arctic, you can have it as such. If you're in a couple and you like it both ways, you can just argue it out. In the second door is our bathroom, and for a cruise ship, this is pretty big. Starting with his and her sinks. Every product we have is L'Occitane, which is a very fancy French brand. Say that 3 times. And they make really lovely stuff. So here you've got some body lotion, some hand soap, body wash, shampoo and conditioner in the shower. And in the shower, we have a handheld head and a big rainfall shower head. And I love the tiling, very fancy. Swinging around, and let's go to the bedroom. So, firstly, this is Windsor. He's our little Windstar teddy. He's our best new friend. I hope there's room for him in our double bed once we're both in him. It's very comfortable, these beds. We have sailed with Windstar before, so this is our second time. I remember thinking that we were having great sleep on our last cruise. I know some can be too soft, some can be too hard, and appropriate for having a teddy bear. This is just right. Each side of the bed has a lamp and a little handy reading lamp, and then you've got 2 US plugs and 2 USB-A plugs as well for anything you need to get charged. On this side of the bedroom, we've got a lovely big telly, a few drawers for storage, and one of these has got the hairdryer in, and running along the top is this lovely large granite worktop. So this kind of doubles up as a place to do your makeup and your hair, or do some work on your laptop, or anything else that you might need to sit at a desk and do. Here is the other place you're going to find the plugs in the room. We've got 2 USBs and 2 US plugs, and on this side 2 European plugs. So actually you can bring a whole bunch of adapters and charge all of your things all of the time. Finally, and this is what I'm super duper excited about, this time we have a balcony. And this feels like such a treat. I cannot wait to have my morning coffee overlooking the ocean. define the sea? I'm meant to be good at geography. This is going to be our home for the next 7 nights. So if you have any questions or you want to know anything that I've missed, drop them in the comments and I'll try my best to answer them. Bye!
I